Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so in today's video, this is going to be an unboxing slash review. I'm actually going to use this product for a week and I'm going to see how it works, how it functions and all of that. Today I'm going to be unboxing it for the first time. So this product actually goes on sale this month, this August, and this is the Yoever smartwatch from Amazon, and it has a bunch of features that I'll go over in this video, but I will be testing the watch over the course of the next week to see if I like it and my thoughts on it and all of that stuff. It's a really cute smartwatch, you guys. When I open this, you'll definitely see how cute it is. So thank you so much, Yoever, for sending me this watch to review, and you can get this on Amazon like I mentioned, so it will come to you really fast. It came to me within a couple days. I will leave everything linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. And if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's get right into the video and into the watch. I'm so excited to unbox this. I've literally been on vacation, like no joke, twice in a row, and this has been waiting for me at my door and I haven't even unboxed it yet. So it does come in this cellophane container. Looks like this. I think that this is something that is also really giftable. Like if you guys look at it, it does look really nice and expensive. Like it does, oh, that was upside down. Yeah, it looks like that. So it does look like a really nice box, really nice and expensive, very legit looking. Like I really do like it, and I feel like this would make a great gift. So you can actually download their app right here on the back. There's like a little, what is this called? QR code, so you can download the app on your phone. I also got a new phone, so I'm going to be testing to see how the app functions and all of that with my phone. And this has Amazon Alexa built right into the watch, so that is really cool. And let's get into unboxing it. So I think you just pull this open. Okay, and it looks like that. Very cute. So as you guys know, my channel is definitely geared a lot towards my love for fitness and lifestyle and all of that sort of thing. You guys see my hiking vlogs all the time, and I'm very just into my health and my fitness and all of that. So smartwatches are definitely something that is a necessary tool in my life to keep track of my fitness and how well I'm doing and all of that good stuff. So this does come with a 1-year extended warranty card as well as professional 24/7 support. So that's cool. It does come with this little card on the inside. And then the watch. The watch is really cool. It definitely reminds me of an Apple Watch. It's giving me Apple Watch vibes for sure, and it is a really pretty color. Ooh, looks like that. Very nice. I'm not going to go over the setup really in this video. I might do like a separate video clip of doing the setup of this watch and stuff like that, but I will, you know, definitely charge it up and everything, get it sorted out before I try it out and film the rest of the video. But I want to go over just how beautiful this watch looks. It is so pretty. Definitely giving me Apple Watch vibes for sure. It does have the heart rate sensor on the back, which is really nice. And overall, the watch feels really good. Like it feels like it's really good quality. I like the, what's it called, the band on it. It's really nice. It's definitely like a silicone type band, which is very sporty. I'm not going to put it on right now because I still have to do the setup and stuff like that, but I can kind of give you an idea of how it looks on. It'll look like that, but better obviously when I actually put it on. It does have the charger right here, and then the manual, which I might actually have to go through this because, you know, if it's anything like an Apple Watch, I don't have one, so I don't know how this is gonna work or anything, but I appreciate that it does come with a manual and all of that, because my current watch did not come with all of that. It came with like a small little book with just like the features and stuff, but that's all. So I'm hoping that this one is more user-friendly for sure. Yeah, that is the watch. So I'll go over with you guys some of the features that it has and stuff that I'm going to watch out for in my review. So this is what the product actually looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that well on my phone, but it is really cute, really girly. And the highlights of the smartwatch include Bluetooth calling and built-in Alexa, upgraded comprehensive health monitor. It has a 1.95 HD full screen and personalized dial, and a 2-hour charging standby for up to 30 days. So I am going to be expecting a 30-day charge of this watch in just 2 hours, which is amazing. That is really, really good battery life for a smartwatch. And we're gonna see how that goes. I'm only, like I said, gonna test it for a week, give you guys my opinion, and then if I have any future updates, I will include it in a future vlog. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys for now. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since I've tried out this smartwatch, and I wanted to do kind of my review of the watch. Also, these are extensions in my hair. I didn't just magically grow like, you know, 15 inches of hair overnight. I got these on Amazon as well, so if you are interested in the hair, definitely check out the storefront down below and you'll get the watch, the hair, everything you want on there. I love my Amazon storefront just because I get to feature my favorite products on there and my Amazon finds for you guys. So let's get right into the watch. So I have been wearing this for about a week now, and I've been doing quite a few activities on it. I noticed a couple things, so let me go over it with you. I really like how lightweight this is. It's very, very comfortable to wear, and I'm actually wearing two watches at the moment. So I'm wearing this one and I'm wearing my Garmin. This one is like a satellite watch. It does satellite maps and that sort of thing, and it's great for me when I go hiking because obviously I need to know my terrain and I need it as a just in case option. It does have a bunch of safety features embedded into this watch, so I do still wear both watches. Now getting into this one, I like how lightweight it is. It's definitely a lot more lightweight compared to my Garmin. This is what the screen looks like on this one. So I do have a cute little background going on there, and I just wanted to go over a few features that it has. So this is definitely a more city friendly watch. So if you guys are the type of person like me that goes into the mountains a lot, you definitely will want something that has satellite safety features and topographic maps, all of that stuff. But for your average person, your average consumer, someone that doesn't do a lot of hikes, someone that mostly is going to be using this watch to track runs and going to the gym, also the convenience of it because it has, you know, a bunch of things on here. So I went ahead and pressed the side button there. So it has a bunch of features on here. It has activity tracking, your phone, Alexa, workout records, heart rate, SpO2, stress, sleep, body energy, breathe activities on here. There's a clock, there's weather, cycle tracking, music, camera control. You also have your find your phone feature and settings, so you have tons of features on this watch. Now, the price of this is $89.99 Canadian. I will 100% say it is worth the $89.99 Canadian. You're definitely getting your money's worth with this watch. Is it gonna be something that compares to something like my Garmin? This one was over $1,000. So something for less than 100 is not obviously gonna compare to this right here. This is like the queen of smartwatches. She'll always be the queen of smartwatches, but I'm not gonna be comparing something that's $89 to something that's $1,000. You guys get what I'm saying? There's obviously gonna be so many more features on the Garmin, but as far as an average everyday smartwatch, this is going to get you places. This is going to be a great watch for you. If you're considering getting an Apple Watch, if you're considering getting a Samsung watch, you don't need that. You can spend $89 and get this one. So things that I like about it: battery life. The battery life on here lasts quite long, which is awesome. It lasts through my runs and all of that stuff. I calculated, let's see, I did 2 outdoor runs using this watch and then 1 hiking one. So the first outdoor run was kind of like a trial to see if it calculated my distance, my stride length, and all of that, and it did. So this actually connects to an app on your phone. So this smartwatch connects to the Very Fit app, and I was a little bit worried that my phone wasn't going to be compatible with this app, because a lot of smartwatches and that sort of thing, you're going to get like just programs for Apple. This surprisingly has a really good app that is compatible with Samsung, and it is a great app. So it's very reminiscent of my Garmin app. It has a lot of the same things. It has like your body battery level, for example. It has your step count, for example, your workout records, your sleep. It has all of those features, and you know, you're getting a great deal on this watch. So it has all of that on the app, which is really nice, and I don't have any complaints. It's very, very similar to a lot of fitness apps that I've tried. I've only tried 2. I've tried Garmin and I've tried Fitbit, and the apps are very, very similar. So it also has a built-in store feature on the app, which is super cool, and you can basically customize the face of your watch, and I think a bunch of them are free actually, and you can pick the colors that you want the times to be, just like my Garmin. My Garmin actually has a separate app for that. It's like the Garmin Connect store or IQ or something, and you can download watch faces on there. You can do that all basically from one app called Very Fit for this particular smartwatch. And the one thing that I did notice with my 2 runs and my 1 hiking activity is I got a little pop-up on my last hiking activity, and it said that my watch was out of memory and that I would have to sync it. So basically it only can store a few activities on here before you need to sync it to the app, and it kind of clears the queue, I guess, and just puts those workouts into your app versus storing it on your device. So that's the only gripe that I have with this, is that if you're a person that forgets to sync their watch, or it's not always connected to the watch for some reason, and you're out doing a hike, or you're doing, I only did like 2 6K runs and 1 like 12K hike. So if you're doing anything over that, say you're doing like a backcountry camping trip or anything like that, this will definitely run out of space when it comes to tracking your activities, which is a little annoying. That's the only thing that's negative that I have to say about this, is that it has a capacity for storage regarding your workouts. So it can only store a few activities on here before it's going to say it's out of memory. You need to sync your watch to your Very Fit app. So that's the only con. Otherwise, this is a really great watch. It worked great. I had no complaints about it the week that I was wearing it for. I was able to answer the phone using this watch, which is a super cool feature. I can do the same thing with my Garmin, of course, but there is some really cool stuff on here that makes it super convenient, and I haven't gotten all of the swipe up, swipe down notification controls on here for the most part all figured out, but I love that it's touchscreen. That's awesome. My Garmin is not touchscreen. This is touchscreen, and it has, you know, just so many things on here that it just has all you would want on here. Like it has, you know, your sleep count, your workout level, your body battery. I think the body battery is a really cool thing actually. It tells you basically when you should rest and how much your body's fully charged to go on a day and stuff like that. And I love the color, I love the customization, I love the back part. It does have an SpO2 sensor, and I overall think this is 100% worth the $89 that you're paying for it. You guys should definitely check it out. I will leave it down in the description box below, as well as on my Amazon storefront. I'm sure you guys will be seeing this again in an Amazon favorites or that sort of thing, because I really did enjoy this watch, minus the one little gripe about it running out of space. But other than that, great watch. If you are a person that's in the city very often, all day, every day, this is going to be a go-to watch for you. You don't need to spend money on Apple and Samsung when this is fully compatible with all of the same features pretty much. So that is all for this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my bro.